Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to remove and replace the rear view mirror. This video should apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so this rear view mirror is being held by one torx T20 screw. I'm not sure if you are able to see it because it's very sunny outside. I'll try to zoom in a bit and even turn on the flash on my phone, but there's like a screw right here which you have to remove. So like I said, you will need a torx T20 to remove this screw, and once you get the screw out, you should be able to completely remove the mirror. Okay, now the next step, you want to pop out this small plastic cover which is actually on top of the mirror. So you can do that with your fingers. You just want to pry up here and kind of pull it down. Okay, just like that. Once I remove it completely, I'll show it to you. Okay, so you see there's just a couple of clips, one on this side and one on the opposite side. So just pop it down. And now you should be able to just slide this mirror off. So you just want to slide it up towards the roof and remove it. And now once that is done, just here on top of the mirror, you want to disconnect this electrical connector. So there's like a small black tab, you want to press it and pull the mirror off. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Once you have the new mirror, first you will plug it in and then you will slide it back. See here onto this metal plate. I really can't see what I'm recording due to sun, but there's like a metal plate right here and you have to slide the mirror on top of it. I'll show you on the mirror. So you see this part just slides on. And once you have it on, you will just insert that screw back on. And that's everything you have to do. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.